That is a 300-foot tall QR code made of nothing but drones. The entire city of Austin has no idea where it links to.
600 drones lit up the night sky in downtown Austin tonight.
At the end of the show, there was this QR code that you see here.
When the QR code finally popped up, there was something interesting for them to see.
Some of the people who scanned it with their phone got a little surprised. They actually got Rickrolled.
That's right, we rickrolled the entire city of Austin. We're gonna give you, somebody posted, never gonna give you up. This is how we pulled it off. So what really makes tonight special is we're pushing our technology further than ever before. We hear a lot of people comment on our videos to say, I wish drone shows were longer. Well, tonight we're gonna do an hour and 15 minutes worth of drone shows. And we're gonna use all that power we have to put that hour and 15-minute message to do nothing more than a rickroll on Austin.
Why are we rickrolling Austin?
We gotta get back at them. They made some pretty harsh comments when I flew a show here last year, so I'm gonna let them know that I read those comments and I take action on it. You know, the most hurtful one is somebody said that the QR code last year went to a Chili's menu. I can't believe that. It wasn't a Chili's menu, it was a trailer for the new Halo show. It was awesome. It's not Chili's. So the first rickroll was in 2006. I'm hoping this is the last rickroll because nobody can top it. Instead of just simply throwing up a QR code, we needed to add a little suspense, a little anticipation, a little bit of mystery. When we first started planning, we thought maybe we'll do a UFO hoax. We've flown UFO formations in the past, but we realized Austin is too smart for that. Joe Rogan would definitely know it wasn't a UFO because he's an expert. So our new plan was to do the most suspenseful thing we could think of, an hour-long countdown. What better way to build suspense than a ticking clock? To help build anticipation, we invited Austin's local news to help spread the word.
It's going to be quite a show. 600 drones are going to light up the sky over Austin tonight.
The hour-long show is one of the biggest to be held in Austin.
Here's just a preview of what you'll be seeing here tonight in downtown Austin.
It is hilarious to me that we have somehow got ourselves on the news to promote this show. And it's just nothing but trolling the city of Austin. 2 stations have covered what we're doing here tonight, but they have no idea what we're doing. They have no idea what's going to happen at the end.
And what is happening afterwards?
We are going to do something special. I don't know why we're here.
Flying drones.
Couldn't tell you.
You know, for real.
Could not. Yeah, I do know. I do.
You do know?
Yes, I do know. Okay. But no, I couldn't tell you.
Never gonna give you up. We're gonna let you down.
That's right. Never gonna run around. I would never desert you.
And as you can see, there still is a lot of work going on out here. Now, everyone always wants to know where's the best view. If you want a good view, you don't want to be here because you really won't see much. You won't get any perspective. You are going to want to go to downtown Austin, just about a mile north of here, find a good spot that gives you a clear view, and then look south. If you do that, 600 drones in the sky doing a massive countdown clock, and then there's supposed to be a surprise once it goes from 1 hour down to 0.
No chance any of those people wait 60 minutes.
Is there any spot we can come in and see?
No, we can't have anybody in here. The first group's going up right now. Countdown's about to begin.
Could be like welcome South by Southwest.
I wish it was like scan this and you can get like free drinks or free merchandise. That would be awesome.
I'll do Madonna on Tour 2023.
It's T-Mobile Whole House 5G.
Bing Chat GPT.
The Austin subreddit is starting to take note of the countdown. Countdown to what?
Is that how long until it starts?
I'm not sure. I'm sure it's an advertisement.
1, 0. Countdown over. QR code up. Here we go. There it is. My favorite song.
600 drones lit up the night sky in downtown Austin. The drones flew for an hour, revealing a surprise at the end.
Come on!
Please go, Rick. Never gonna give you up.
Yeah, you can't sing too much of it or they'll come at us for copyright.
I was actually waiting for you to sing this.
No, I was singing it in the commercial break.
Rick Astley's official music video, Never Gonna Give You Up, was the special surprise everyone was waiting an hour for. South by Southwest attendees were rickrolled.
Just to get rickrolled in such an amazing way is just
pure South by memory to me.
He literally left the venue we were at to come and see this, and for it to just like switch up like that and be a classic Rickroll meme, like genius.
Got Rickrolled by a drone, might showed barcode in Riverside. Just got Rickrolled by 600 drones. People everywhere, Rickrolled.